from ear to ear. That looked like so much fun. She's a trooper for sure. Well, look at this beautiful sight over Southfield today as we switch gears to the forecast. It is 6:47 here, and just a few minutes ago, the gates opened up at 6:45 for day 3 of the Rocket Classic, which is being hosted at the Detroit Golf Club. Brett, it's a great day to golf.
It's a great day to golf. It's a great day to watch golf. It's a great day for pretty much any outdoor activity today as we're seeing dry skies and pretty comfortable temperatures as well. It's a bit more seasonal than it had been. We're used to some of those warmer and muggier temps. As you look at yesterday, we had a high of 92 degrees. You can see the average is 83 degrees, so it's almost 10 degrees above average yesterday. Today, we're going to be a bit more about average, so we're seeing a little bit above average. 85 is a forecasted high for today. 83 is the average temperature, so it should feel pretty nice out there, and the morning low 72 degrees. So right now we're looking at the overall area here. 72 in Detroit, 74 Mount Clemens, 68 in Howell, so mostly 70s, getting towards the 70s in some spots, opening to some sunnier skies later as the day goes on. Kara mentioned the Rocket Mortgage Classic taking place today at the Detroit Golf Club. Here's a look at the morning temperatures at least. So we're seeing 70s into 80s by the early afternoon, 81 at around 2 p.m. But you can see we see plenty of sunshine there as those clouds make way to some sun as the day goes on. But on top of golf, we have the Tigers at home as well. They're also a 1 o'clock game here today, 1:10. Casey Mize is on the mound. We'll see 80s by the time the game starts, and we're staying with the mid-80s with sunnier skies, so should be a very comfortable day out at the ballpark. Comfortable day really across the area. You can see right now looking at the futurecast here, the clouds moving out of the area, so it's a relatively sunny finish to Saturday, a sunny Sunday as well. Then our next chance for rain is going to come on Monday, so see the skies stay clear for quite a bit until Monday. Some of those scattered short showers move in, and then we see a line of storms here according to our futurecast by Monday later in the afternoon, so we could have a chance for some more severe weather on Monday, so heavier downpours, whatnot. We're not in any sort of risk right now from the SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, but still something to take note of on to Monday. We could have some rain and storms moving in Monday night, so something to be prepared for. As for today, we are again talking about the highs in the mid-80s, so 85 is the high in Detroit today, 83 Mount Clemens, 81 in Pontiac, 82 in Ann Arbor, but sunnier skies should be moving in. We have winds out of the west-northwest from 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then into tonight, we have an overnight low of 70 degrees. In the 60s for most of the area, 65 Mount Clemens, 64 in Pontiac. We are looking at relatively clear skies with lighter winds as well out of the west-northwest. Now going into tomorrow, that is the warmer day of the week. I'm looking at highs in 90 degrees here in Detroit, 90s pretty much across the board, except a little cooler on the lakeshore, 84 in Port Sanilac, 88 in Port Huron. So again, sunnier skies, some warmer temps, 90 degrees is the high for tomorrow. So that is definitely the warmer day of the weekend. So again, looking at the weekend here, clear and dry throughout the weekend, 85, 90 on Sunday. Then we see our next chance for rain, as we showed you just a minute ago, 86 on Monday with that rain chances, and then 6 in the 80s, but really relatively dry on Tuesday, Wednesday throughout the week.